We are celebrating 50 years of Lufthansa service, not only in Belgrade and Zagreb, but also in Budapest and Bucharest. And for this reason, we have a special flight today from Munich to Budapest on the Airbus A350. Very first flight with the routing Frankfurt-Munich, Munich-Budapest, Budapest-Belgrade. So somehow we are doing part of this routing today together. So the major event is the experience of the Airbus A350, a brand new aircraft to Lufthansa. We have now 5 aircrafts in place. Furthermore will follow. They're based in Munich, flying out of Munich to the Lufthansa long-range network, and today is a very special occasion since this aircraft is also flying on a European route.
Herzlich willkommen.
Bienvenido.
Ja se zovem Katarina Janković i radim već 6 godina za Lufthansa. Bila sam pre 2 nedelje u Beogradu, isto na jubileu, i baza mi je u Frankfurtu i ne letim nažalost ovaj avion jer je trenutno još samo iz Minhena, ali letim na Boeingu i na Airbus 340.
Meine Damen und Herren, ich habe Sie mittlerweile auch wieder aufgeweckt und in the meantime I decided to wake you up again for landing, so umkehren und den Sicherheitsgurt wieder zu schließen und
Hello, szevasztok! Nagyot lépni!
We made a normal approach as we would do for a normal landing, and in around 100 feet, that's a little bit more than 30 meters, we pushed in a little bit more of engine thrust, and so we could just level off and fly along the runway. It was a standard visual traffic pattern which we use in training very often, especially when during the inauguration of this aircraft, we had this, perhaps you have seen it in Stuttgart, Dresden, and everywhere we went. We flew quite a lot of these traffic patterns. Of course, it's very unusual to have this with guests on board. We normally don't do it.
I believe everyone agrees with me that we would like to congratulate Lufthansa for this jubilee, the last 50 years and the vast amount of success achieved in this time. We wish the same for the next 50 years. Happy birthday, Lufthansa in Hungary.